how to zip and unzip files in Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily compress your files by creating a zip file and how you can easily unzip it. Let's dive right in. Head over to your Files Explorer and then find the file that you want to zip. Just right click on it and then you will need to tap on compress to and then go to zip file, and then you just need to name the zip and hit enter. There you go, the zip file has been created. Now to unzip it, you need to right click again and then you need to go to extract all and then just tap on extract. And there you go. Now the file has been unzipped. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.